Hi everyone and welcome to today's new video. So today I have a new album that I want to show you, and today we're going to be taking a look at Lord of the Lost's 8th studio album, Blood and Glitter. So Lord of the Lost are a German gothic metal band formed in 2007. And as I said, this is their 8th studio album. This was released on the 30th of December 2022 and unfortunately didn't make my top 10 best albums of 2022 because I had no idea this was being released. The reason being is because they released the title track a week before the album was released. Yes, this thing came out pretty quick. This has 13 tracks, 51 minutes in length, and it has a kind of dark, glam 80s metal feel to it. This album opens up with the title track, Blood and Glitter, which is very, very catchy. It then goes into their next song, Leave Your Hate in the Comments, which is a song inspired by all the hateful comments that the band have received because they are a little bit different and people feel necessary to type away dreadful, horrible things for no reason whatsoever. And what did they do? They turned it into a song. We have on here the bonus track, which is The Look, which is a Roxette cover. I have heard both versions of this song and I really enjoyed the cover on here. The cover on here is more bassier. The drums have a bit more oomph about them, and Chris Harms's vocals, this is Chris Harms, I think were perfect. So we have the back there with the 13 tracks. This is all cardboard packaging, so no plastic in here, which is a bit of a bummer. We have the artwork there. Then we have a picture of the band. We have, I've taken the disc out of here and put it somewhere a bit more safer. We have the disc right there, which is a glitter ball. And we have the booklet, again with Chris Harms on. Lots of photographs in this lyric book. A lot more than I thought we were going to get. A hell of a lot of pictures. Then we have the lyrics and a full picture of the band. Blood and Glitter. Brilliant, brilliant song, as I said. Very, very catchy. More pictures. And more lyrics for the songs. And more lyrics on the last page. And on the back we have the title, we have the track listings there. So I got into Lord of the Lost a year or two ago when they released their 7th studio album, which was Judas. This was a double album kind of. It has 24 tracks and at the time was the longest album that I'd ever listened to. So yeah, this has a great feel about it, and so does this, and I really enjoyed this. Maybe I enjoyed this one a little bit more, maybe because I've heard it a little bit more than this one, but I think this one's really going to grow on me. So yes, that is Lord of the Lost's new album, Blood and Glitter, their 8th studio album. So yeah, that is it for this video. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed. If you have, then please give the video some big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. And as always, until next time, take care, stay safe, and thanks for watching.